Does this sound familiar? You get paid, pay your bills, buy groceries, and then the money is gone. You're left waiting for the next paycheck to survive. But what if I told you there's a way out? I'm Johnson, and today I'm revealing the exact steps to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and start building real financial security. So if you're ready to change your financial future, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Living paycheck to paycheck is stressful. Nearly 60% of Americans are stuck in this cycle. Even people making six figures find themselves living paycheck to paycheck. It's not always about how much you earn, but how you manage what you make. Overspending is a big one. Without a budget, it's like driving with your eyes closed. Debt can feel like anchors weighing you down. Without an emergency fund, any unexpected expense can send you spiraling into debt. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. I'm going to break down the exact steps you can take to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's about taking control of your finances so you can live a life of freedom and abundance. You can't fix a problem you don't understand. The first step to breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is to understand exactly where your money is going. I'm talking about hardcore tracking every single dollar. Think of it like going to the doctor for a checkup. So how do you actually track your spending? It's easier than you think. You can go old school and use a pen and paper or download a budgeting app. For an entire month, write down every single expense. And don't forget about your income. At the end of the month, you'll have a complete financial snapshot. Once you have this information, you can start making conscious decisions about your spending. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to take control and tell it where to go. This is where budgeting comes in. I'm going to share a simple budgeting rule that will change your financial life. The 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% to your savings and debt repayment. Needs are your essential expenses, things like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Wants are everything else, dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Savings and debt repayment include building your emergency fund, investing for the future, and paying down any debt you might have. The key here is to start somewhere and have a plan for your money. The emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses can throw a wrench in even the most well-planned budget. That's where the emergency fund comes in. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small. Even if you can only save $50 or $100 a month, that's still progress. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Automate your savings with automatic transfers from your checking account. Building an emergency fund is an investment in your financial future. Debt, the silent wealth killer. Debt can feel incredibly overwhelming, but it doesn't have to control your life. The first step to tackling debt is to face it head-on. Make a list of all your debts, including the balances and interest rates. There are two main methods for paying off debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate. The avalanche method focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Choose a method and stick to it. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Don't get discouraged if you have setbacks. You got this. Let's talk about making more money. Increasing your income can significantly accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Start with salary negotiation. Do your research and come prepared with concrete examples of your accomplishments. Now, let's talk about side hustles. The gig economy is booming, and there are endless opportunities to earn extra income. Find something you enjoy, and that fits into your schedule. Any extra income you earn from a side hustle should go straight towards your financial goals. Increasing your income is about creating more opportunities for yourself and your family. Automating your savings is crucial. When you automate your savings, you're putting your financial goals on autopilot. Most banks allow you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. You can choose the amount and frequency that works best for you. Another great way to automate your savings is to use a micro-investing app. These apps round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. By automating your savings, you're making a commitment to your financial future. Building wealth is not just about the numbers, it's about adopting the right mindset. It's about shifting your perspective from scarcity to abundance. Wealthy people understand the value of delayed gratification. They invest in themselves and seek knowledge and opportunities to grow. They surround themselves with the right people. Wealthy people understand the power of networking and building relationships. They give back and make a positive impact on the world. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices and developing positive financial habits. Adopt a mindset of abundance and growth. Congratulations! You've made it to the end, and now you have the tools to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. Remember, it all starts with tracking your spending, creating a budget, and building an emergency fund. Then, attack that debt and watch your financial stress melt away. Your financial future starts now. Like and subscribe for more money tips. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.